Problem 53. So from right-hand side and left-hand side, we are going to check the limit to 2 and minus 2. I'm just going to leave C and D for you as an exercise, and I will do A and B. And also show you how this graph looks like, using all the things that we learned in chapter 1 about shifts of the functions and scaling and whatever. So let's deal with the first one. Limit as x goes to 2 from right-hand side. X squared minus 4. Instead of x squared minus 4, I can write x minus 2, x plus 2. And here we see this goes to 4. This part is going to 0. Does it go to 0 from positive side or the negative side? Here I have a positive number. When x is greater than 2, this is also positive. We have plus infinity. For b, we have the same expression. This is again positive for this part. Now we have something less than 0, which means the limit is minus infinity. Let me show you how to understand a graph like this. It is very easy. So when you try to sketch this one, you can just check y equal to x. When the function goes to 0, from the positive side, we should also go to plus infinity. When the function goes to infinity, 1 over x should go to 0. And from the left-hand side, when x goes to 0, the graph should go to minus infinity. As x goes to minus infinity, and 1 over x is going to go to 0. So actually, plus infinity and minus infinity, they are going to look like 0 from the positive and the negative side. And if the graph approaches to 0, you will see infinities. So let's deal with this one. X squared plus 4. So this is x squared plus 4. Minus 4. So it looks like this. So here we have 2 and minus 2. And what about this one? Again, at minus 2 and plus 2, we have zeros, so we will have infinities. So here I see we are approaching to 0 from the positive side. So here we go to plus infinity. And the graph goes to plus infinity here. So we are going to 0 from the positive side. We have a vertical asymptote at minus 2, and we have a horizontal asymptote at 0. So here, when I am approaching to minus 2 from right, this function, goes to 0 from the negative side. So we should have a negative infinity here. And here we have minus 4. So it is going to be minus 1 over 4. And the rest is going to look like this, and the arguments are the same. So we have a graph like this. You can just calculate C and D, check if your limits are correct using this graph.